A key element to personalizing and differentiating instruction is to allow flexibility in how students learn and are assessed. Using choice folders, a teacher can provide a variety of activities for students to choose from. These types of activities could be either graded or non-graded. If student choice activities are associated with a grade, only the activity or activities chosen by the student will appear in their gradebook. Some examples for using student choice folders within ECHO could be: Ms. Wood wants her students to complete a jigsaw activity in her Earth Science class that requires the students to compile a list of challenges that communities face due to climate change. She created a choice folder that contains 4 articles. Each student in the group will pick one article to read and then compare notes. Later, each group will submit a single group task summarizing their findings. Another example could be, in order to allow for different learning styles, Mr. Dawson created a choice folder that had both a text-based resource and a video-based resource. ECHO will mark the task complete when the student either reads the article or watches the video. A graded example might be, for the final exam, Mr. Santos created a choice folder with 3 options. Students could take a multiple choice exam due at the end of class, take an essay exam that was due by midnight, or take an oral exam during lunch or after school. Students only had to pick one, and their chosen activity was the only one that appeared in their gradebook. Another graded example could be, in her poetry unit, Ms. Peterson created a choice folder with 5 poems. Students were asked to pick 2 of the 5 and write a short analysis of each. The assignment was marked complete when the student submitted 2 responses in ECHO. To add a choice folder in your course, navigate to the course syllabus and create a folder in the desired project or unit. After giving the folder a title and description, click the Settings tab. Select the box next to the words that say Enable Student Choice for this folder. Enter the number of required choice activities for students to complete. Select Allow Extra Choices if you would like students to be able to complete more than the required amount of choice activities. You also have the more advanced option of letting students pick choices from outside the choice folder by finding other activities in the project or from a collection of activities in your school's digital library. When finished adjusting the settings, click Save. The choice folder will now be visible in your course editor. You can drag and drop it to the desired place in your project or unit. To add choice activities to the folder, click the question mark icon to the right of the folder's title. It is important to note that if you click the plus icon, you can add items to the folder, but they will not be considered choice activities. Next, click the Add Choice Activity button. This will bring up the standard Add Activity menu, and you can follow the typical process for adding activities to your course. Once you save the choice activity, an icon will appear that tells you how many choice activities are included in the folder. Repeat for each choice activity you want to add to the choice folder. In the next videos, we'll show you how students choose the activities from a choice folder and how you, as the teacher, score them. Take some time now to practice creating and interacting with choice folders and choice activities.